these are the answers to this week's long or short questions that I post on Twitter. I do this to show you guys that you do not need to rely on indicators or furus for alerts, and that you can read price action all by yourself. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, drop a like, and let me know if you guys want me to make any specific videos moving forward here. All right, here's question number 1. Long or short, take your time, figure out which direction the market structure is going in, and from there make your decision. So if you want to pause the video here, you can do so. But if not, here's the answer to question number 1, and it is a long. This is the Boeing weekly chart. You'll notice that we shift market structure here, and as we continue higher, we do not set a range here. So from this low to this high, or any of these highs really, we never set any range because we never got a retracement back down into discount or below that 50% mark. So with that being said, you gotta wait for that to happen in order for a range to be set. There were no bearish imbalances to tip, the market tipping its hand to us, letting us know that the range is established here. So until this high is set, we get our retracement back down into discount, specifically a discount imbalance. And in this form, it's not technically a fair value gap or a volume imbalance, but it's order blocks. So we get into the order block here on the weekly time frame, and we take off right at 50%. This is textbook. This is my model, the Mando model, and if you want to learn more about that, I have a video of it on my channel. So there's question number 1. Now for question number 2. Let me slide this over. So order of operations, of course, determine the market structure here. All right, so here is answer number 2. And this is also a weekly time frame for JP Morgan. You have your low to, not quite yet, but high up here. We didn't take the high with this price run, so we're going with the whole entirety of this run here. Here's your retracement back down into a discount bullish imbalance, specifically the golden pocket here, 62 to 79%, and we take off from there. Harder to see, but this past week we actually did sweep that 15938. So Mando model is complete on JPM, and this would also be a long. So if you have any questions about any of these, just feel free to drop a comment below. But here's number 3. I'm doing this a little faster this week, but here's number 3. Take a look. Determine your market structure. Are we bullish or are we bearish? Okay, so in this instance, we are bearish. Why are we bearish? Let's take a look. Well, we've taken out multiple lows. This one right here, if we were to draw our fib range from right here at this point, we never got to bounce back to 50%. So what that tells us is that the range is not set. So the range not being set, we have to wait for the range to set. And here it is, down to this low. And as we start to creep our way higher here, we get up into a discount. So above that 50%, bearish imbalance, and from there we dump, and we continue much lower from this point as well. But if you have any questions about this one, feel free to drop a comment below. So that's it. This week only 3. I was doing a lot of charting, so I didn't get to this, and I wanted to make sure it was out for Saturday. So thanks for watching. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, share them, ask questions, do whatever. But until next week, I'll talk to you guys soon.